Coming from that pretty mouth, the truth is fitting. Cause you ain't never talking loud and you know plenty. You know what I'm...
Greetings, Ascendant Angel. I'm coming to you with a energy check reading. This is for the fire signs. Alright. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. You could be any of these or you could not. Alright. And just something is about like fast action. My guys just said, okay. Like fast action, like fast shifts, drastic shifts I'm hearing as well. Okay, something could even, conflict could even be significant. Okay, but if you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. I greatly and truly appreciate it because y'all know they be trying to, and they be doing it shadow banning me. Okay, so make sure you're following me on TikTok as well. Okay, and to, like I told y'all previously, I'm still working on my Patreon. All right, some things should be live sometime this week. Okay, but I'll drop the link soon. And just thank you and gratitude for those who do support, and gratitude to the ones who don't as well. So the first card we have for you fire signs is Judgment. Okay. That was like a mouthful, but yes, something significant about judgment here. We have judgment, rebirth, inner calling, a new phase, absolution, reckoning, forgiveness, mercy, redemption, awakening. Okay, and I have been putting a lot of emphasis on the mass judgment. I feel like that's why you could be saying 12-12 or 21-12, and my head is itching when I say this, or you could be saying triple 12s, but about a mass judgment over humanity. Okay, or this big transition, this big phase that's taking place over, and not phase, they're telling me not to use phase because phase is something temporary, but what's going on currently. Okay, what we're seeing take place currently. Okay, so then we have the red car. Okay, we have intense emotions, passion, rage, ambitious, sense of fun. Okay, so this is giving me like enjoyment. I'm hearing like something significant about enjoyment, bliss. Okay, this could be that rebirth energy, okay, that we was picking up off of the judgment card as well. Okay, then we have the Six of Swords. All right, so something could be significant about you moving on. This is falling in like the past energy, so something could be significant about the past for some of you, and for some of you, something could be significant about something you need to move on from. Okay, but it says moving on mentally, physically, emotionally, sexually, and spiritually. Okay, following that, we have treat yourself. All right, so spirit is saying to treat yourself. All right, and I did further clarify this energy. Okay, like I said, from off of the red card, I was picking up some type of like rebirth, some type of bliss. All right, but to further clarify the treat yourself, we have 10. All right, so 10 came out for you. And it says you are about to enter. We know about the, endings and new beginnings. All right, with the loud motor in the background, confirmation. But we know about endings and new beginnings when it comes to 10. But the message is you are about to enter a phase of abundance and prosperity. Okay, something could be significant about communication. Something here could be significant about completion. Okay, your relationships are about to evolve. Okay, so different partnerships, different, I'm just hearing elevation. Okay, like I said, when I use humanity and Gaia as an example in the beginning. Okay, then we have, if there's any stagnant energy, take the lead to clear it out. Okay, so like I said, for some of you, the case is you've already moved away from something, and then for some of you currently, you either need to, this is your sign from spirit that you need to, and then for another portion of you, this is what you're doing now. Okay, you're in the works of doing this now. Okay. Something could be significant too, because I just seen the 5. So something could be significant about a hard fought energy or someone who sits in a prominent position. This could be a message for someone who's sitting in a position and God is, you need to step out of it. Okay, that's what I just heard. All right. So then we have the butterfly. All right. So we know that this is talking about transformation. Okay. Like I said, you could have been in something, you're in something and you're coming from out of it. Okay. So that gives that butterfly energy. Okay. It could have been like a cocoon. Okay. It could have been like hermit. All right. I'm saying the hermit in my mind's eye. All right. Then we have the cat. All right, so someone here could own a cat. Okay, if you've been have been contemplating about purchasing a new pet, this is your confirmation from spirit. Okay, if you're trying to pick between a cat and a dog, this is your confirmation from spirit. Something significant about a new pet or a cat. Okay, then we have the crucifix that came out. All right, so. And I heard crucifix, crucified, persecution, and then I saw the phoenix because the star came right out behind that. Okay, and it's giving me that phoenix energy. We know the crucifix is all about death. All right, sometimes death does not necessarily mean actually flatline. Okay, but and in my eyes, I've learned opposite. Okay, but we have the crucifix and we have the star. I ain't gonna get too deep into that, but the crucifix and the star. And with both of those coming out together, it gave me that phoenix energy. All right, that rebirth energy. Okay, some sort of awakening, like a mass awakening. Okay, so following that, we have fire. Okay, so something significant about fire here. We are doing fire signs. All right, I've been picking up a lot, tremendous fire and water. Okay, fire and water. Something significant about fire and water. Okay, then we have high priest. Okay, so something could be significant about a high priest energy. Okay, someone could be a fire sign, or something could be significant about a masculine, feminine. It does not necessarily have to be a male. Okay, but something could be significant about a masculine, feminine. Okay, someone who has heavy, I'm picking up Sagittarius in particular. Okay, so something significant about Sag energy here. All right, following that, we have Life Path 33. Okay, so we have idealistic, optimistic, nurturing. Okay, this could be your energy or someone you are connected to. Okay, but something significant about a master teacher energy here. This high priest could be some sort of master teacher. Okay. Following that, we have something could be significant about limes, oranges, or watermelons, okay, or watermelon, okay. But we have find the benefits or lessons in a bad situation, see things from a higher perspective, angels, miracles, okay. So with this falling on top of this Life Path 33, Spirit is giving me the message of you, something significant about I'm hearing your test. I don't know why I heard testament. Okay, so something could be significant about your testament. All right, whatever that means. Okay, testament, testimony, something like that. Okay, then we have something is highly significant here about someone who is in the industry. Okay, and I have to give the message. Do remember that this video is for entertainment purposes only. Okay, I have to say that. All right. But anywho, something is significant here about someone who is, we see what's going on in the industry, point blank period. Okay, but a message has come out here in this fire sign reading pertaining to someone in the industry. Okay, the devil is here to collect is the card that fell out. Okay, and like I said, I'm just giving the message. Okay, as I was putting my hand oil on, I Another message that came out, I noticed once I had put on my protection oil and I looked down at my The Devil is Here to Collect card, a drop of oil landed on here. Okay, so emphasis on this card. Okay, this card came out, I want to say, in maybe 2 other readings prior to this one. Okay, I can't remember specifically. Something could be significant about karma and a couple. Okay, because I just looked at my clock and it's 10:06. It was 10:06 when I looked over there. Okay, so something significant about the wheel and a couple. Okay, could be significant. All right. Something is significant because right after that we have spiritually protection or spiritual protection, focus, invincibility, power, strength. Okay, so this is a message here that someone is spiritually protected. Okay, and the devil is here to collect because someone was spiritually protected. Okay, with the oil falling on the here on this card as well, the message that I heard that I was about to get into, I had got sidetracked, but another message that I heard is from the movie Bad Boys 2. I want to say, I'm almost sure it's Bad Boys 2, and remember they was in the Haitian spot, and when they were shooting with the Haitians, and remember, I want to say it was Will Smith. So something could be significant about Will Smith. Something could be significant about Martin Lawrence. Okay, but Will Smith was like, the devil is here. And remember, the Haitian guy was like, the devil is not welcome here. Okay, so something is significant about that. And I'm picking it up because the devil is not welcome here. I'm picking up because somebody is spiritually heavily protected. Okay, so the devil is here to collect. All right, I'll try to tag. If I can find that particular part, I'll try to put it in the description box. Okay. So, next I was asked to pull out the I want to say these are my truth teller cards. Sometimes I be having a hard time. Yeah, this is my truth teller card. Truth teller cards. I be having a hard time telling sometimes between my investigation oracle if I have them on the table together. Okay, so the first card we have here is going up against you is like going against God, okay? And that explains what I just previously finished rambling about, okay? The message that was coming through. Then we have something significant about a feminine energy, okay? So you could be a feminine that I'm talking to or speaking of, okay? Or this could be someone, a feminine that you're connected to, okay? Who is heavily protected, all right? Or you could be a masculine who is just more in your divine femininity, okay? But next we have something again, this same energy, this same person that is in the spotlight popped out in this reading again, okay? Aside from this and this energy, aside from this coming out, okay, someone here could be like Scorpio, Sagittarius, or Sagittarius-Capricorn, okay? And I think the devil is here to collect came out in no Fucus reading, okay? But athlete involved, okay? So something is significant here about an athlete as well, okay? Someone could be heavily associated, which that is common with the industry, okay? Then we have, when I said I had saw 10:06 on my clock, 13:36, I just looked and seen something could be significant about Tennessee, okay? But and that's 13 for me too, is like tower energy as well, okay? But something could be significant about, I'm gonna just say this, 444. Okay, something is also significant about a Sagittarius. I said I've been picking up on heavy Sagittarius energy. Okay, then we have coming out the closet. So something could be significant about a Sagittarius energy coming out. All right, something could be significant about an athlete who is getting ready to come out. Okay. Take what resonates, what doesn't, leave it here. Following that, we have paying for spell work overseas, okay? So someone that is in the industry, okay, or an athlete, okay, And these are facts. Okay, I'm not going to say allegedly. They have been paying for spell work overseas. Okay, hence the fire. Okay, this could be candle work. This could be, I'm hearing seances. I'm hearing voodoo. Okay, we have maternal trauma. Okay, so these individuals suffer with maternal trauma. Okay, these could be individuals who like to abuse their power. Okay, hence paying for spell work overseas. Okay, we have he's obsessed. All right, so one of these individuals is very obsessed. Okay, they could be, who knows? All right, who knows? If you're maybe you're somebody in the public eye or something like that, but somebody is obsessed. Someone could be obsessed also with paying for spell work overseas. Okay, we have you're the dad, not the granddad. So someone here has oh my goodness. Someone here has children that are of age to procreate, okay, which so-called makes them a granddad. But this individual, and I picked up this energy before about someone, I had picked it up about maybe like a politician or something. Somebody is the father of their child's child. Okay. This could be an athlete. This could be someone who's in the industry, but someone fathered their child's child. Okay. Then we have pageants. All right. So looks, obsession, skin, glamour, imitate beauty. So someone here um is obsessed. They want to imitate you. Okay, I'm hearing. Okay, or I don't know. I'm hearing look up to. So that could be significant. I don't know. We have all magic backfire. Okay, so this is confirmation about the spell work that was paid for overseas. It is backfiring. We are seeing it. Okay, we had judgment to start out the reading. Then we have someone thinks you belong to them. So someone here feels as if you belong to them. We have group of women who sleep with each other. This could be this pageant energy, okay? Because we do have glamour. Something could be significant about these women. And I did get a download not too long ago about some sort of pool orgy. Okay, so that could be significant to this reading. I don't know. But yeah. But with this pageant card, somebody could be, this group of women could be doing glamour magic. All right, people, something about your skin, okay, your looks, something like that. Then we have intentional behavior. So all of this that is being called out, these people knew exactly what they were doing, okay? Then we have, it wasn't about him, it's about you. All right, so something significant about someone who has maternal trauma trying to maybe trap you in some way, shape, or form. Okay. Then we have passed over energies body jumping. So this is confirmation that your ancestors are, yeah. We have sex magic. Sex magic has backfired. It came out in reverse. I did say something about I had got a dream download about a pool orgy. Okay. And I seen a lot of, it was women. Okay. Majority of what I saw were women. Okay. Then we have Janae Aiko, worst. Okay. Something could be significant about the song, the artist. Someone here could be a Pisces energy. Okay. And my eye twitched. So that is everything I have for you, fire signs. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll talk to you in the next reading.